Of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. There's a lot of times that people do not have family in which to be petitioned to come into the U.S. But keep in mind that there are the employment-based routes. And while there's lots of different non-immigrant type visas in order to come into the United States, there is also petitions to allow people to come into the United States as green card holders or lawful permanent residents, or when you're here to apply to ultimately adjust your status to lawful permanent residency based upon employment. And one of the items to do that is called PERM. Now, PERM permits you to have an employer petition you for a position that will ultimately be full-time and that will allow you to work for them in the future full-time for the position that has been created. Now, the whole purpose of the PERM is you will see if there are available U.S. workers, and if there's not, which if everything's done correctly and assuming the position fits the bill, there won't be, then the PERM would be approved, at which point afterwards you have 180 days to file the employment petition, and once the visa number becomes current, then you will be able to apply to either adjust your status or do consular processing. Now, that all sounds easy, except lots of different steps involved, lots of different procedures, and more importantly, you have to be aware that for someone who does not have a master's degree or higher, the waiting list for the PERM is several years, anywhere between 6 and 8 years, give or take, as it stands right now. So even if you apply for the PERM today, if it is approved and it's approved tomorrow, you're still going to be waiting for the visa number to become current. And that essentially is, you get everything filed and you get in line, okay? And U.S. only accepts so many people per year. So the line is waiting to get up to the front where you can say, okay, I'm here, now I want to come in the U.S. And it's going to take you 6 to 8 years to get to the front of that line. So try to come in on a non-immigrant visa first, then apply for the PERM so you're not waiting outside all the time. Okay, more on the coming videos.